All right, let's get right into this amazing roasted Greek salad. I've got 2 minced garlic cloves. I'm going to add 1/2 a cup extra virgin olive oil. Then we're going to add 3 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. 1, 2, 3. 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, or if you don't have that, the bottle kind, like what I have here. 1 teaspoon dried oregano. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. 1/4 teaspoon crushed red pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. There we go. Then we'll get in there and we'll give it a real good mix. And I'm going to transport this to I guess you call it a squirt bottle, just to make it a little easier when I apply it to the finished salad at the end. So we'll get that in here. We'll put the lid on, mix it up real good, and put that in the refrigerator until we are ready for it later on in the video. Now I've got 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts that I've already cleaned up. I'm going to put on a cooking sheet with a piece of parchment paper. I'm going to hit it with olive oil on both sides. And then I've got some Greek seasoning. If you don't have Greek seasoning, you just use a little black pepper, a little salt, a little oregano. But we're going to coat both sides, olive oil and the seasonings. And then we're going to bake these for 1 hour, or until we get the internal temperature of 165 at 300 degrees for about an hour. Then we'll take those chicken breasts aside, let them rest, put them in the refrigerator. Okay, the vegetables that we are going to roast. I've got white button mushrooms that I'm going to cut in half, and I'm just going to stack on a rack on a cookie sheet, and then just line them up nice and neat, just like that. The other vegetable I'm roasting are the small sweet peppers, but somehow the video didn't come out on that, which I apologize for. But we're just gonna hit these with a little oil and salt, and then we'll set that to the side, and we're gonna do 1 red onion. We're gonna cut the end off, and then cut 2 nice thick slices, about 1/4 inch thick. We'll take off any paper on the ends, and then we'll come back and we'll hit these onions with a little bit of olive oil. And then we'll place those on the rack as well. I'm also going to put on some green onion. So our roasted vegetables are mushrooms, red onion, green onion, and the sweet peppers. And we're going to put these in at 450 degrees until they get nice and roasted, which is going to be about a total of 30 minutes. We'll rotate them halfway through. There's the peppers. So once those are all roasted, we'll take those out, let them rest and cool down a bit, and then it'll be time to start assembling this amazing Greek salad. This is an option here. I just wanted to have some garlic toast on the side with the salad, so I just took a baguette and cut it up. Then I'll place on a baking sheet, and we'll just drizzle on some olive oil and some granulated garlic. And once we take out the vegetables, we'll throw that spread in for about 10 minutes, and just to have on the side. Like I said, this is just an option. It's up to you. Alright, let's work on our non-roasted vegetables. A whole bunch of small little red tomatoes. We're just going to quarter those up. And then we'll put those into our large salad bowl.
With a silverware stare, he sharpened his skills on patience, and he learned when to stir and when to take a seat. From the sands to the dunes, recipes untold, now is bringing them back, plated bold and gold.
Next, our zucchini. We'll cut the ends off. We'll cut the zucchini in half. Go. Not a very good job of that, but we try. And we'll just slice that up into bite-sized pieces and then toss that into the salad bowl as well.
Born and raised in the city of sin, where Sinatra, Dean, and Elvis grinned. Now Vegas' native son's got the plan, serving up magic with the pen in his hand. Yeah, Vegas taught him anything. It's patience before you do your thing. Like a poker hand, you don't reveal.
Then our roasted red onion. Our peppers we're not going to cut up because they're already good size for the salad, but we want to cut up the red onion that's roasted. Add that to the bowl as well. And then we're going to slice up our chicken that is now nice and cool, and we'll have that on the side as we build our roasted Greek salad. Alright, so we got our plate loaded with all our veggies. We're going to add some Kamala olives and some feta cheese that we'll crumble up. And we're going to slide that chicken right on top of that plate, and we'll hit it with our amazing dressing. And you have a great dish for summertime. This roasted Greek salad. You're going to love it. You can do it with or without the chicken. It's up to you. But make this dish. Everybody's going to love it. It's great. I'm telling you, for a hot summer day, this will just be a great lunch. All right, thanks for watching. And remember to like, share, subscribe. Very important, hit that bell to stay up to date on newest recipes. Otherwise, you don't get notified. And we put out a new show every Wednesday and every Sunday. All right, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Tuxes and flair, and the lobster came out with a silverware stare. He sharpened his skills on patience, and he learned when to stir and when to take a seat. From the sands to the dunes, recipes untold, now is bringing them back, plated bold and gold. If Vegas taught him anything, it's patient before you do your you see